Hi guys, welcome to the video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use OBS, which is Open Broadcaster software for recording videos. If you want to do any YouTube videos, this will be a perfect tool. It's used by YouTubers worldwide. I really love the app. It's easy to use once you understand it. There's plenty of settings to mess with depending on your PC's performance. This isn't a setup of OBS, this is just how to record your videos in OBS. Right, let's get straight into this. Let's go. Right, so here we have the OBS. So the link to the website will be in the description if you want to download it. So if you follow what I'm doing with my mouse, this will allow you to set up stuff. So first thing you're going to do is, you're not going to see this on the screen. You're going to see this, you're going to see source. You're not going to see any of these. So you're going to click add. You're going to go to scene. You're going to click enter. And here we go. This is what you're going to see. You're going to see scene 1 down here and sources. Right. So first thing I'm assuming you're going to want to do is add a webcam to your video. So first thing you're going to do is go to this plus button down here. Go up to video capture device just here. Click OK. What that's going to do is allow you to pick your device, so your webcam, so whatever webcam you use. At the minute I'm using XSplit VCam, which is a software I've paid for, which actually blurs the background of your video, so you can go and pay for that. There'll be a link to VCam in the description. There's also a recording software that comes with it too. So what you're going to do is you're going to go over to HD Pro webcam, right? Whatever webcam you have, select it. So that's my Logitech one, my C920. And then you're going to configure video if you want to change the brightness. So you're going to have in this tab, brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness, and so on. You can mess with this if you want to, guys. It's up to you. And down here we have resolution type. You're going to want to set your default on the device or custom if you're filming. If you want to film in 1080p, set it to custom. Go to resolution in this drop down bar and head straight to 1920 by 1080, right? And that's going to keep the output of your webcam the exact same as the output as your gameplay or display capture. Frames per second, just keep it at match output, because if you don't and you put it on highest, your video might come out choppy and it might come out in different, it might just come out not in sync with the video. And you're going to start chatting a bunch of bull, you know what I mean? You're going to start talking, it's going to go, yeah, it's going to go messed. Right, so you're going to want to go to video format. Don't worry about this actually. Keep it as any. Keep space, color space as default, color range as full. Come down here and hit OK. That should save all of your settings. And then what you want to do here, so there's two options. You either pick game capture, which will capture a specific game you're playing. So if we just hit that, right, and click OK, just so I can show you it, it'll come up with this here, properties, right? You can either click capture any full screen application, capture specific window, or the foreground window with the hotkey. So I always use specific window, because then what you can do from here, select this drop down. So here we go. So say I had my last gameplay open, Destroy All Humans. It would come up here as Destroy All Humans Remake, right? You click that, and what it would do is then you'd leave it as it is, hit OK, and it will show you right on that screen right there in front of you, okay? And then what you're going to want to do, if you don't want to use game capture and you want to do, say, a reaction video, or you want to do like, I guess like a lyric reaction, something to do with reacting, or maybe a browser game, if you've not got the specs there, you hit this display capture, okay? So I'm going to click that, and boom, there you go. So at the minute, my layout is 3840 by 1080, because that's what I'm shooting this video in. But this one screen here will just be in the middle like that, just evenly. That's why this looks a bit weird and it's split screen. That's display capture sorted. Down here you've got your audio mixer. So you've got your desktop audio, you've got your microphone, and device capture if you want to record your mic from your webcam, right? So first thing you're going to want to do is you want to go down here into settings. You want to go to audio, select the sample rate of your microphone. So if you don't know what that means, just set it to 44.1. 48 is the highest, but if your mic doesn't support that, it's very pointless to do that. Go down to your audio devices, your main audio device. So if you're playing a game with headphones, boom, you would click that. And if you're playing a game with the speakers, you go down to whatever your speakers are. So like this would be my TV, this would be my actual speaker. Default usually works, but I wouldn't risk it, so stick it as my headphones. So Realtek audio, and then the mic which I'm using is my micro Realtek USB mic. Okay, my pseudo tac. This stuff, don't worry about it. You want to hit apply, you want to hit OK. That's set up, that's ready. Audio is done. Let me reopen settings again. And output. This is important. I'm not going to get into this yet, but if you guys do want to see a video of a advanced OBS tutorial, give me a shout, let me know. You're going to go to, where is it? Video, here we go. So this is going to be your base resolution from what you see on the screen. All right, so your canvas, your paper, your artwork, you get me? So here you're going to set this to whatever the resolution of your monitor is. Bearing in mind I have a 1080p monitor and a 1440p. So say I wanted to use my 1080 monitor, here we go, 1080p, right? Scaled resolution, which is the output of your recording after you've finished, needs to be the same as your monitor resolution. I cannot stress that enough. It has to be the same, right? Once that's set, go down to this downscale filter. If you have a medium build PC, take this down to by cubic, which is 16 sample rate, which is less quality basically, but it will still be fine for YouTube. Okay. I keep this on Lanxos because, I mean, I've got the power to record in that quality. FPS, set whatever you want to record in. So I record in 60 FPS, 1080p, 60 FPS. Once that's all done, smack on apply, click OK. You see what happened? This is what you will be met with on the screen. And then once you want to start recording, you can either go down here to start recording, boom, and then it's ready to go. And then that's it. You keep recording, and then you come back on this app and click stop, and then obviously just cut out the bits you don't want. Or you can go into settings again, go down to hotkeys right here. Here we go. You can start recording. I've got a key. I don't even know what that key is on, to be honest. And I've got a stop recording key here. So you could put asterisk, you could use Q, you could use Control and F10, you can use whatever you want, and then hit apply down here and OK. All right. So I'm not going to get into all the audio levels and stuff now, but I will eventually do an advanced OBS setup if you'd like to see it. But thank you for tuning in. If you think this helped, drop a like, drop a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out, guys. Bye. Hi guys, one thing I forgot to mention, to find your video and you're done, click File, Show Recordings, and it will come into that file right there. It will plop there. Grab it, drag it into your editing software, and it's ready to go. Okay? Cheers guys, thank you for that. Peace.